Right guys, the early Capri. I've just done a load of photographs for you, about 70 odd I think, plenty of photographs, so you can get a feel for it. Keys in it. Type 9 I'm assuming guys, got a Sierra obviously gear knob, which means nothing, but we've got 5th gear there, that's for sure. So just check with the office, but I think it's had a Type 9 popped in it, which is a big bonus. Pause the video on that tag guys and you can do some homework on that. Right, we'll shut that down. We've established that works, that's for sure. Sounds real sweet. Can't see any marks or any major damage on the seats or anything. Oh, we're just going off around this side before I forget. Let's have a quick look in for me. You can sometimes see a bit more from here. And then in the boot, and then we'll have a walk around the outside. Right, that's better. And then we'll have a little meander around the outside. Trying to get all the angles for you. Door gaps. There you go guys. Like I say, there's I think about 70 odd photographs there as well, and our little walk round video. Hopefully that'll give you an idea of what we've got. Next step is to come and have a look. Please come down, have a look. Set yourself up for a bid if it does the job for you, and go from there.